Hello students. Now next topic we are going to start functions of management. Now already we have done that what is management. So management is described as the process of planning, organizing, directing and controlling the efforts of organizational members and of using organizational resources in the effective and efficient manner to achieve predetermined goal. So basically all the elements, these are functions also and these are also termed as elements of management. Now functions of management or elements of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Now we are going to start with the very first function of management, planning. Planning is a function of determining in advance what is to be done, who is to do it, when to do. So all possible answers are given in this element, that is planning. Actually planning bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to reach. So planning cannot prevent problems, but it can predict them and prepare contingency plans to deal with them. So planning is very important. Then after setting up the plan, next function is to organize the activities and establishing an organizing structure, that is organizing. Organizing involves the grouping of the required tasks into manageable departments or work. Then establishment of authority and reporting relationship, because firstly we have to divide tasks, then the management people are going to decide who will be the boss and who will be the subordinate, who is going to report whom. That is very important, otherwise how to monitor the things. Then we come to the next one, staffing. When we are talking about, it means to appoint the right person for the right job. And when we are talking about staffing, all the activities like recruitment, you can see that recruitment, selection, placement, training, these all are parts of staffing, and this is also termed as human resource function. Now after staffing, we are going to start with directing. Once the employees are appointed, there is a need to instruct them and get the work done, and that's why that is the importance of directing. Directing involves to leadership, leading subordinates, to influence them, to motivate them, so that kind of work environment to be created. And last but not the least, controlling is the last function of management. Controlling is actually a monitoring function. The task of controlling involves establishing standards of performance. Each and every organization set some standard for the work, so that they can compare the performance of their employees with the set standard. After comparing, if any deviation is there, then the boss can correct them. So the last line you can see that taking corrective actions where any deviation is found.